Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need a better way to communicate with your team or manage projects online? In this video, I will walk you through how to use Slack for beginners in 2025. Step by step, you will learn how to join a workspace and messages, create channels, and integrate tools. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what is Slack. Slack Slack is a messaging platform for teams that replaces emails with faster, more organized communication. You can chat with teammates, organize conversations by topic, share files, integrate tools like Google Drive, Zoom, Trello, and more. Now go to slack.com and click Get Started. Sign up with your email or continue with your Google account. You can create a new workspace or join an existing one via invite link or email. Just click create a workspace and name it, give it a name like what's the name of your company team? Like YouTube video marketing. Then next, enter your name, enter your Google account, then continue. Then click select Growworks or enter your email address manually from here. Then click next. Now you can start with Pro or start with limited version free. Now you are in. Once you are in, you will see your workspace on the left and channels on the side panel. Channels organize your team's conversions. General hashtag general for team wide updates. Hashtag projects project X for specific projects, marketing, then support etc. Click add channel or create channel. Choose between public, anyone can join, or private, only invite only. Then direct messages, use DMs to talk one to one or install or in small groups privately. Click DMs icon and choose a name. Then click next. Type your message and press enter. Use at the rate mention to tag someone like at the rate John. Use threads to reply to specific messages. Format using bold text like that. Hi, how are you? Then for italic, press underscore, then your text like are you, then underscore like that. You can also upload files, images, and videos. React with emojis, bookmark important messages. Click the plus icon. Now from here, click resend file or upload from your computer. You can use shortcut key like Ctrl plus U. Slack works with hundreds of tools. Click apps on the sidebar to connect or click automation and select one from here like emoji reaction notifications. Then click apps from here. You can connect Google Drive, share docs, Zoom for start video calls, Trello, Asana, Outlook, Google Calendar, get meeting reminders. Just search and install apps relevant to your workflow. Click your profile icon at the top left corner, then click add a workspace for new workspace, or click more, click on profile icon, and then click preferences, set notification hours, like mute after 7 p.m. Choose how you are notified, like desktop, mobile, or email. Adjust notification types, all messages mentions only or nothing. Use commands like remind. Go back to home slash remind for reminders. Pin important messages in channels. Keep conversations organized. Use threads. Avoid spamming general. Use Slack on mobile and desktop for flexibility. Upgrade to Slack Pro if you want message history, larger file sharing, and advanced security. And that's it. You are now ready to use Slack like a pro in 2025. Let me know in the comments if you want tutorials on Slack bots, automation, or connecting project management tools. Like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.